Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this simple, easy, delicious, amazing vanilla Swiss roll cake. This turned out so delicious. It's easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. So we're gonna start by whipping the eggs. In the mixing bowl, I added in 6 eggs. I'm using the medium size eggs. After, I'll whisk this by adding in sugar little by little until I've added all the sugar, and then whisk it for about 6 to 7 minutes. You want to make sure you've whisked it until the egg yolks has become light pale yellow. So you want to whisk it until it has become foamy. So when you get to this point like this, go ahead and add in oil. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So this is the color you're looking for. After you get to this color, the whiskey is enough, or you're done with it. I added in salt, vanilla essence, and then I sieve in baking powder and flour. But the flour I didn't add in all at once. I added it bit by bit, and then I mix it until well combined or well incorporated, and then I added in the rest as well. So make sure you don't add in all at once. You do not want any lumps of flour in the batter, so please make sure you add it bit by bit until you are done with the flour. Stir it and make sure everything is well combined. After, pour it in your baking tray and bake this at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes, and of course depending on the quantity of the eggs that you'll be using. After, make sure you've leveled it well and then tap to take out any excess bubbles. So I kept this aside, and then I didn't pour in all the butter. I left about 3 tablespoons, as you can tell from the video, and then I added in a teaspoon of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. I'll mix this till well combined. Put it in a plastic bag. You can use a piping bag, of course, but then I was not having a piping bag, so I used a plastic bag, and then I added the butter to it, the chocolate butter to it. I'll cut off the tip and then use it to decorate on top of the cake batter. So basically this is it. The butter is done and it's simple, easy making it. All you have to do is cut off the tip of the plastic bag, and then make sure you cut it little. You do not want to cut it big, too big. All you have to do is just start from the middle, and then whilst you are going around, like you're making a circle shape, and then be pushing it by like be squeezing the butter out little bit by bit whilst you're doing the circle shape. After, I did straight lines like 4 times, and then I used the toothpick to design it. And as demonstrated in the video, it's very easy, and trust me, you can even close your eyes and do these things. All you have to do is to start from the middle and then bring it to the to start from the last part of the circle and then bring it to the middle. That's what you have to do. After, I bake this at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. Whilst the cake was baking, I went ahead to make the cream cheese filling. For the cream cheese filling, add in your cream cheese and then Nutella. So my Nutella, I placed it in the oven for about 30 seconds. You know, it was cold in the fridge, so to make it easier for you to mix it, I placed it about 30 seconds in the fridge for it to become a little bit soft. I then added in 2 tablespoons of icing sugar just to give it some sweetness. If you want, you can avoid this process. You can use only Nutella and you are good to go. So this is what you're looking for. It should be a stable cream like this, and then I'll keep this aside in the fridge until it's ready to be used. So after 80 minutes, the cake was baked, and as you can tell, this was so delicious, guys. Make sure you put a parchment paper on top, flip it, and then remove the parchment paper whilst it's still warm and roll it. When done rolling, keep it in the cool place for it to cool completely before adding in the filling. So once it has cooled down completely, I went ahead and added in the filling, and guys, this is delicious. Just look at this, guys. This is amazing. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. Bye bye.